Hello guys, this is Rithun Krishnan from the CFK Foundation. Today we'll be going over scoreUp in AP1. Let's first start off by reading the question. The key array is an array containing the correct answers to an exam, like an array of A, B, B. The answers array contains a student's answers with a question mark representing a question left blank. The two arrays are not empty and are the same length. Return the score for this array of answers. Given +4 for each correct answer, -1 for each incorrect answer, and +0 for each blank answer. Now let's go over the first example. So this is the answer key array and this is the student's answer array. So student got A, the answer is A, so that's +4. And then he got a second one wrong, so that's 3. He got the third one correct, so that's 7. And he got the fourth one wrong, so that's 6, which is what we're supposed to get. Okay, first we need a int representing the score of the student. Then we will give it initial value of 0 because that's a starting value. And now we have to traverse through this array. And the best way for this in this situation is a for loop. We start off with setting I equals 0 because that's the first index of the array. For example, this is 0, index 1, index 2, and index 3. And then we have to set an end condition, and we have to check all the answers, and we have also learned that it's not empty and they're same length, so it doesn't matter which length we check. So let's do key.length. This represents the value, the entire, so that's 1, the length of the array, how many elements it has, so that's 4 elements, for example, in this. And then we do I++ to go through each element. And now we have to check these conditions. So first we have to have an if statement. And first let's check if the student got a correct answer. So if key I, this represents, in this case, the first, when going through the first time, you get key 0, so that'll be the first value. And if dot equals, since we are looking at strings and strings an object, we have to use dot equals. Dot equals answers I. We're checking if key I equals answer side, the first of for each, and if it does equal, we do score plus equals 4. We could also do score equals score plus 4, but this is a more easier way. And now we have to check for incorrect answer or blank answer. Now let's check which one we should do first. So if we check the incorrect answer, we're going to say if this does not equal this. But student sometimes has a question mark representing a blank answer. And if we check the incorrect answer first, then we won't know, then the program will think that it's an incorrect answer over a blank answer. So we should first check, second check if it's a blank answer. So else if answers I dot equals a question mark. Now here we're checking if the student has a question mark representing blank answer. We could just do score plus equals 0. And then if both of these cases are not the correct thing, then we do else score minus equal to 1. Same thing for these ones. You could also do score minus score equals score minus 1, but this is an easier way. Now that we have traversed through this entire array and checked for each condition, we have to return score. And let's check if our answer is correct. And it looks like we got all correct. Okay, let's go through each example. So let's go through this one. So first, the student had a blank answer. So it goes, so I equals 0. It does not equal each other. And then I equals a question mark. Answers I. So plus equals 0. And then we'll go back, I plus plus, I equals 1 now. Now we're checking for the second one. They don't equal each other. Answer does not equal question mark, so we could do minus 1. So right now it's minus 1. And the rest are blank too, so you would get negative 1. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.